Over 60 and waking up flat, no energy, no morning signal, just that heavy, unresponsive feeling in your body. It's discouraging, and it can leave you wondering if your strength is gone for good. But here's the good news, it isn't lost. 2 simple vitamins taken at night, not pills, not extreme fixes, can help restore morning strength and circulation naturally, while you sleep. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a urologist, with over 25 years helping men protect their heart health and vitality after 60. And in this video, I'll reveal exactly which 2 vitamins to take, how to use them safely, and the common mistake most men make that ruins the results. Stay with me, because in less than a minute, you'll see why timing is everything. Here's a fact many men don't know. Your body's testosterone and repair cycle peak at night, between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. Think of your body like a workshop. It does most of its rebuilding while you sleep. But if the right nutrients aren't present, the repair crew shows up with no tools. That's why so many men wake up weak or flat in the morning. The body was ready to restore, but lacked what it needed to finish the job. In just a moment, I'll tell you which 2 vitamins act as the missing tools, and why one without the other doesn't work. Even more important, I'll show you the exact timing and ratio that make all the difference. Miss this detail, and you may never feel the benefits. Let's break it down. The first vitamin is vitamin D3. Most men think of it for bone strength or immunity, but almost no one tells you this. Vitamin D3 works like a hormone, not just a vitamin. When taken at night, it locks into the same receptors that control testosterone production. Think of it as a master switch in your body's control room. Flip it on, and the lights of hormone balance and circulation come alive. But here's the catch. Vitamin D3 alone won't do the job. The second key is zinc, a mineral most older men are running dangerously low on. Zinc acts like the ignition fuel. Without it, your body can't efficiently produce testosterone, no matter how much vitamin D3 you take. Imagine trying to start your car. Vitamin D3 is the key in the ignition, but zinc is the gas in the tank. You need both for the engine of manhood to run smoothly. And when you combine them, vitamin D3 with dinner, zinc a couple of hours before bed, you're stacking the deck in your favor. In a moment, I'll explain exactly why timing matters so much, and the single mistake most men make that erases all these benefits. Your body's testosterone peaks between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. That's the repair window. If vitamin D3 and zinc are in your bloodstream, then you're fueling the process when it matters most. Mistake number 1, taking vitamin D3 in the morning. By night, it's gone. You miss the surge. Take it with dinner, and it's right where it needs to be. The second mistake, skipping zinc or taking the wrong dose. Without zinc, the testosterone engine stalls. For most men over 60, the sweet spot is about 20 milligrams, taken 2 hours before bed with plain water. Think of it this way. Vitamin D3 is the ignition key, zinc is the fuel, and your sleep is the garage where repairs happen. Studies show testosterone can nearly double in deficient men within 6 weeks when both are corrected. John, a 68-year-old patient, told me, "Doc, I can't remember the last time I woke up with any strength." He was exhausted, embarrassed, and his confidence was gone. I gave him one change, 3,000 IU vitamin D3 with dinner, 20 milligrams zinc 2 hours before bed. By week 3, his mornings felt different. By week 6, his blood pressure improved, energy returned, and his wife said, "Doctor, I feel like I have my husband back." The lesson is clear. Weak mornings aren't just about age, they're about missing the right building blocks. Give your body D3 and zinc at the right time, and you're not forcing results, you're repairing the foundation. This combo protects more than mornings. Low vitamin D3 raises heart risks. Restoring it relaxes arteries and eases the heart. Zinc calms the prostate, reducing night urination and improving flow. Together, they support brain health too, lowering risks of memory decline and keeping your focus sharp. You're not just waking up stronger, you're protecting your whole future. And yet many men undo all this progress by taking the wrong supplements at night. In the next part, I'll reveal the 3 that cancel your results if you're not careful. Number 1, vitamin C. Great in the morning, but at night it disrupts sleep and blunts testosterone. Number 2, B complex. These are energizers. Take them late and you'll toss and turn. Number 3, any supplement with hidden caffeine, from energy pills to fat burners. At night, caffeine blocks recovery and ruins hormone cycles. Timing matters just as much as the nutrient itself. Get it right, and your body rewards you. So how do you put this into action? Here's the exact evening schedule. With dinner, take 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3, with healthy fats for absorption. Then about 2 hours before bed, take 15 to 25 milligrams of zinc with plain water. Not milk, not coffee, not alcohol. That's it. Simple, safe, and effective. The lesson is simple. Age isn't the enemy, deficiency is. By restoring vitamin D3 and zinc at night, you fuel your body's natural repair window, protect your heart, prostate, and brain, and restore your mornings. Try it for a few weeks, then share your results in the comments. Your story may inspire another man. Subscribe for more doctor-backed tips to protect your vitality after 60. And in my next video, I'll reveal 3 so-called healthy foods that secretly lower testosterone. You don't want to miss it. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplements, medications, or daily routines, especially if you have existing health conditions or take prescription drugs.